Hey, Principles of Business and Finance. This is Miss Archer. Today we're going to look at the two activities I have assigned for you guys with 504. So it is the government and the economy packet and the government and spending packet. This will work a little bit differently if we were in the classroom, because these were actually paper packets and they are group activities that go along with it. But because we're doing this virtually, the packets are going to look a little bit different. And it also, for your daily agenda for today, make sure you're checking your email in the Google Classroom stream for your times and log in for the Zoom. I will let you guys know what time that we are meeting for today. So you should have gotten the email yesterday, actually. Also, for those that do not have access to the Google Classroom or any internet or Wi-Fi, today you guys should be getting packets delivered via a school bus. And then always the assignments that posted on Monday and Tuesday, they are due by April 9th, right before spring break. So technically we are almost finished with this objective. So after this video, it should be about one more video, and then we'll be moving on to another objective after spring break. At the bottom of your screen, you do see my contact information, which includes my email, my Google Voice, and the Remind app. And then you also see Mr. Moore's email and his Remind app for his students to join. So on your screen, you see the government and the economy packet and the government and spending packet. So I provided you guys with the PowerPoints. Should we have been in the classroom, these would have been Kahoot questions, and we would have been looking at them this way. But I did give you guys the PowerPoint, which are true, false, to kind of go along with the assignments for today. So I'm going to open up the two assignments that you guys have in Google Docs, because I know they're going to look a little bit different if I open it up in Microsoft Word. So the first one is the government and the economy packet, and it's going to look like this. Some of the stuff is going to be a little bit stretched out and a little bit weird, but these are the readings, and you're going to have to read in order to do the assignments correctly. So the first one that you're going to do is the word search. And you'll find the words in the picture here and answer your questions. If you find that it's hard to type in the document, then do a separate document and type. And really the words that you're looking for are going to be the ones that are in bold here and within the reading. So that's why I said you're going to have to make sure that you're reading the reading in order to do the assignment correctly. The second part of the assignment, it's not a second part to this one, so I apologize. It's just these 10 vocabulary words here. It would be the word search, but as you see, it's a picture, and then it would be the vocabulary. But the word search will have the words in here, and then the vocabulary would be there. So that's that assignment. The government and the spending packet, this one, again, same thing. You're going to have to do the reading first to make sure you're understanding. This one has a true or false, which if you look at the true or false power accompanied with this, you'll see pretty much the same question. So if it's true, you'll mark it true and there's no correction. If it's false, you're going to tell me what part of it needs to be corrected. So that's what you're looking at there. And then with the government spending, you're going to give me cause and effect. So it says if money is limited, if this is the cause, then what is the effect of it? So they kind of have them on the wrong side. So you're going to tell me if one, money is limited either because A, B, C, D, E, or F, E. And the same thing with 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the assignments that are done for today. As always, make sure you guys are looking in the Google Classroom and you are asking any questions if you need any help. I'm normally online most days from 9 until about 3 o'clock. So that way, if you guys need assistance with anything, definitely let me know. All instructional videos are going to be here once they're finished. And then, as always, once you're finishing your assignments, make sure you're submitting them in a timely manner. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe and keeping yourselves busy in this time. And I look forward to seeing most of you guys this afternoon for our Zoom check-in. Other than that, you guys have a great one, and I will talk to you guys later.